Hi kids, let's learn about farm animals. Hey, we are cow. We are sheep. Yay, we are goose. Hey, we are horse. Oh yes, we are chickens. Yay, I am goat. And we are roosters. We are donkey. Let's go. We are ducks. Well done. We are rabbits. Beautiful guys. Thanks for watching.